अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में 50 एमसीक्यू डिस्कस किए, तो आज की हम वीडियो में नेक्स्ट 50 एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे। हु रोट द फर्स्ट अथेंटिक हिस्ट्री ऑफ कश्मीर? राज तरंगी, पंडित खलाना। 57 हु इज़ क्रेडिटेड विद स्प्रेडिंग इस्लाम इन कश्मीर? सैयद अली हमदानी। 58 which is the longest of the following rivers that flow through Kashmir? Chenab. 59 who was the last Muslim Kashmiri ruler of Kashmir? Sultan Yusuf Chak. 60 when was the Treaty of Amritsar between British government and Maharaja Gulab Singh signed? 16 March 1846. 61 who wrote the book Atish-e-Chinar? Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. 62 what did the UN Security Council Resolution 47 of 5 January 1949 affirm? Right of self-determination of the people of Kashmir. 63 the Reading Room Party was established in 1930. What was its aim? Create socio-political awakening among the people of Kashmir. 64. When was Makbul Butt martyred? 11 February 1984. 65. When was the first Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir established? 1934. 66. Installed capacity of Jhelum Jhelum hydropower project is 969 megawatt. 69. What is the significance of Article 35 into A of the Indian Constitution? It restricts the ownership of property in IOK to permanent resident, Indian occupied Kashmir. 68. What does the acronym AKLASC stand for? Azad Kashmir Lodging and Samil Corporation. 69. CPAC entails following infrastructure projects in Azad Kashmir: Mirpur, Muzaffarabad, Mansehra Road, Mangla Dam, Upraising Project, Azad Kashmir Tourism Corridor, all of the above. 70. After the enactment of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Interim Constitution 13 Amendment Act 2018, the number of members of Legislative Assembly will be 53. 71. Namaz-e-Kasuf is offered at the time of solar eclipse. 72. While reciting which surah of Quran does one read Bismillah twice? Surah Naml. What is the rate of zakat? 2.5%. 74. Each prayer is wajib. 75. Sai Sita is compilation of hadith. 76. Islamic law of inheritance Kanun Wirasat is derived from Quran. 77. For how many years did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, live in Mecca? 53 years. 78. How many ayat of Quran were revealed unto the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, during the first wahi? 5. 79. Who was given the title of Saifullah, sword of Allah, by the Prophet, by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? Khalid bin Walid Radiallahu Ta'ala anha. 80. Who did Umar bin Khattab Radiallahu Ta'ala anha appoint as temporary Amirul Mu'mineen in his absence when he traveled to Baitul Muqaddas after his conquest? Abdul Rahman bin Auf Radiallahu Ta'ala anha. 81. Brazil, China, India, Russia and South Africa are constituted of which economic group? BRICS. 82. Which European country has decided to exit from European Union? UK. 83. What does BRI stand for? Belt and Road Initiative. 84. Recently, UN Commission on Human Rights has released a damning report, first of its kind, on systematic and gross violation of human rights in Kashmir 2018. 85. USA has withdrawn from multilateral agreement on use of nuclear technology with which country? Iran. 86. Name the former Secretary General of the UN who passed away in August 2018. Kofi Annual 2018. 87. Which of the following are consequences of global warming? Extreme weather, melting glaciers, all of the above. 88. What is the task of Financial Action Task Force FATF? Formulate policies to combat money laundering or terror financing, monitor progress in implementing FATF recommendation, all of the above. 89. Which of the following countries is the Middle East are in a state of war? Yemen, Syria, all of the above. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, and Bahrain have enforced a blockade against which country? Qatar. Qatar. 91. mm, 90 MCQ number 91. The gas used in refrigerated to cool water is butane. 92. Blood is cleaned by kidneys. For photosynthesis in daytime, plants absorb carbon dioxide. 94. How long does it take sunlight to reach the earth? 8 minutes 20 seconds. Uh, 8 minutes 20 seconds. How many bones are there in the body of an adult? Adult 206. Diamond is composed of a single element carbon. Meat eating animals are called carnivore, which is the longest gland in the human body. Liver. Galvanization is the process of cooling iron pipes with a layer of zinc जिंक है ओके इधर मिस्टेक हो चुकी है टाइपिंग व्हाट इज मेंट बाय इक्विनॉक्स इक्वल ड्यूरेशन ऑफ डे एंड नाइट